Well, e-biker desperados. A quick look at the K8 Stealth Bomber 5 kilowatt e-bike as it looks after a return trip home from the bike shop. It was tested on inclines and a quick throttle to zip down the streets in the previous video. As it turns out, we need to take this Enduro gizmo back to the bike shop. The brakes are still a little funky, but we're getting closer. And one of the LED light strips went out too. What a bummer. In the meantime, the updated look and review will commence in a moment, so hold on please. Thank you for sticking around. This is the 2-year review and updated look with the 5 kilowatt Stealth Bomber Enduro e-bike that we sourced off Alibaba a couple Februaries ago. A quick rundown of the basics are, it's a 72 volt, 26 amp hour battery. As mentioned, a 5 kilowatt rear hub motor. It can attain up to 52 miles an hour, but we have not put it up against a GPS app yet, so stay tuned for that as it's coming soon in the near future. And for more details on specs and how it was purchased off Alibaba, please reference the end cards at the conclusion of this short video. For now, let's concentrate on the mods and upgrades. Replaced a bike seat with a real cushy Cloud9 brand, added a Rock Brothers tail fender, replaced the kickstand as the old one was breaking, screwed on some carbon look bike mirrors, switched out the pedals with the black-white Alston face-off variety, threw on a couple of 3M LED light strips, of which only one works now, added the phone holder it came with, action cam mounts, and a white bike bell too. The brake lines have been bled, the brake pads replaced, but there are still some issues, so we'll get that handled ASAP. Also slapped some reflective tape and decals that were just lying about. Now let's move on with the pros and cons. As of now, what earns a frowny face is that since acquiring a Stealth Bomber, the brakes have been so-so and may just replace the whole mechanism with a brand name. Has anyone ever heard of a brand called Nut with double T's? Basically, you have to pump and bite hard into the brakes in order to stop. No bueno. There are also no turn signals on this thingy or an alarm. A bike chain is needed to secure it. Yet on paper it weighs 150 pounds, but it feels more like 200. It's real bulky and tough to lift by yourself or get up a small flight of steps without the assistance of ramps and brute force. Another thing that blows is the fact it's like a Clydesdale and am too short for this e-bike. This is more for the taller rider. 5'8" folks and under will have a real tough time riding this beast. Finally, pedaling is a pain in the calves. It's not a bike you want to pedal home if you run out of power. Your legs will be exhausted like linguini. Saving the best for last are the pros. Because it's heavy, if someone opens their car door on you while riding, the motorist can say adios to said door. The torque is phenomenal and picks up speed almost as good as the electric dirt bike we have. It's real stealthy and not very loud, so you must be careful in traffic. Assume drivers are unaware of your presence and ride defensively. Because of the height, you have a good command of the view and can react accordingly. There is a loud horn, brake lights, good enough shocks to handle bumpy rideouts, and it charges relatively quickly, like 4 to 6 hours from mid to low power, using a household plug-in charger it came with. Utilizing bike pedals, you can play it stupid by pedaling when law enforcement shows up. Just let go of the throttle and pump those legs. The cops will follow for a minute, and then they'll leave you alone. There has been zero interaction with police so far on this Enduro e-bike. And by clicking the link in the description below, you can check out all our adventures in the Windy City with this sleek gizmo. Best part of all, the price delivered from factory overseas to our home was well worth the wait. Alibaba beat all pricing compared to US merchants selling the same e-bike. And because of that, those savings can be passed on to you. So if you're interested in this e-bike or any other of different power, please do not hesitate to reach out. Moving forward, this channel will be riding out with a trio of e-bikes. This stealth bomber you see here, an Aerial Rider X-Class, and the fastest one in the collection, a Denzel Samurai electric dirt bike that can hit up to 53 miles an hour. A much-deserved thanks to our local neighborhood stuntman, who spent his personal time making ride-out footage with the stealth bomber for the e-bike community to enjoy and gawk at, since he rode like a maniac with little regard to the rules of the road. Really hoping this video has been enjoyable and informative. As we move towards 1,000 subs, we kindly ask you to like and subscribe, as there are weekly posts of all our hobbies. Thank you very much in advance, and have a blessed 2026.